Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to codingscientist.com. Artificial intelligence and robotics on Jetson Nano bot, or you may call it as a jet bot. Anyways, guys, we are going to boot up today. We are going to boot the Jetson Nano mounted on JetBot. So let's take a look at it, guys. We are on lesson number 23, and this is what the build looks like. I am connected to my monitor and keyboard and everything. My JetBot is ready, it's powered up. Now let me show you what we need to do. So if you look at our manual, let me go to our JetBot manual. All right, so if you look at it here, as soon as you log in, guys, you will get a blank screen because the GUI is totally disabled from JetBot Jetpack. This is basically to avoid choking of unwanted memory and stuff like that, and that's a good thing because we are going to use Jetson Nano specific to JetBot robotic operating system, right, for the robot purpose. So as soon as you connect your HDMI port and power up, you will get a black screen with few stuffs running. So let me show you how it looks like. So if you look at the screen behind me, so this is what you will see. Let me just make it a little bit bigger so that you can see what's happening on my JetBot screen on the terminal. So this is how it will look like. Okay, now what you need to do not get confused. All you need to do is just type JetBot as user ID and password is JetBot. This is a standard user ID and password which comes along with the JetBot operating system itself. So I am going to go ahead and type JetBot, and yep, it's asking for the password. Can you see it here? All right, I'm going to type my password, that is JetBot, and hit enter. All right, so this is accepted. Can you see this? Great. Now what we need to do, we need to connect the JetBot to your LAN network, to your Wi-Fi network. So guys, remember, you got to have a Wi-Fi, right? It's not going to work with a wired network. No, you need to have your Wi-Fi. So keep your Wi-Fi SSID, your Wi-Fi signal name, and the password to log into your Wi-Fi. Okay, so I am going to log into my Wi-Fi. If you look at the manual I had written, the command is here, sudo nmcli device. Let me type this, sudo nmcli device space, and what is that, Wi-Fi connect, Wi-Fi connect, and I am connecting to my network. You got to connect your network, guys. Okay, and then type password, password space, and you need to put your password for your Wi-Fi. Let me just sudo nmcli and then device space connect Wi-Fi, and your Wi-Fi you need to connect. Okay, and once you put your password, it's going to say accepted or some other message that it's been connected and something like that. And then what you need to do, you got to shut down the JetBot completely. All right, so what you need to do is sudo shutdown now. So that is the command. If you see in the Word doc in the manual, It's clearly written. I had clearly documented everything for you guys to understand this. So once your JetBot is connected, after using sudo nmcli devices Wi-Fi, connect with your SSID and with your password, you will be connected to your network. Once it is connected, you will get a message that it's connected, right? And then you need to shut down, execute this command, sudo shutdown now. So I am going to do that, and I'm going to shut it down now. Sudo shutdown now. Right, it's asking for password again. JetBot unknown parameter. That's fine, it happens. You don't have to worry. You can just shut it down now. And then we are going to be back in the next lesson. I will show you what exactly has to be done. So keep this connected, guys. If you don't follow, if you are confused, if you have any question, do WhatsApp me, do send me an email. I am available. Do set up a call. I can help you as much as possible. All right. So I will see you in the next lesson. We are going to run the JetBot. Okay, bye bye. See you.